Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction of the Shiba Inu. What's the price changes occur in the Shiba Inu? Let me show you. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Shiba Inu. The currently live price of the Shiba Inu in the market is 0.00007 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Shiba Inu in the market. In other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Shiba Inu, so now the last 1 hour changes of the Shiba Inu is positive, last 1 day changes of the Shiba Inu is negative guys. So the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes of a Shiba Inu is negative guys. The price is very badly decreased. Other side guys, if you look the last 1 week changes of Shiba Inu, so positive 6.15% positive changes over in the Shiba Inu in the market. Everything is going good in the market, every change guys. Now Shiba Inu is again false, but that's not mean then you decide to sell Shiba Inu. Sometime price dumps, sometime price dumps, really complicated changes occur in the Shiba Inu, but that's not me then you decide to sell. No, you can see here now at this time again the price of a Shiba Inu is start dumps from a 20 August the price start jumps. So guys, you know what, after falls there is a jump. I believe on this rule, after falls there is a jump. So now this time the price falls down absolutely, and the third week of September the price of Shiba Inu will pump. I'm sure about that. That is my prediction about Shiba Inu. What you think about Shiba Inu future, when the price will pump? Just tell me in the comment box. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos about Shiba Inu.